With technologies like IoT, blockchain, business intelligence, machine learning, and AI rewriting rules for businesses, choosing an ERP system that meets your needs and enables you to leverage these latest technologies is more important than ever before. Here is a list of the 7 best ERPs in 2021. Epicor ERP. Epicor ERP is one of the best ERP software vendors providing industry-specific solutions built to cater to the needs of organizations in different industries including manufacturing, distribution, retail, and services. IFS. IFS ERP application can be configured for a variety of industries and is specifically suitable for businesses demanding processes that combine elements of manufacturing, project, service, and asset management. Infor. Infor Cloud Suite is a robust suite of industry-specific ERP applications primarily intended for mid-sized and large companies in the manufacturing, distribution, and services industries. MS Dynamics 365. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is one of the top cloud-based enterprise systems that combines the capabilities of an ERP system and an advanced CRM system. Oracle Cloud ERP. Oracle is one of the leading ERP software vendors in the market today and offers ERP solutions for mid-size, large, and global enterprises. Oracle NetSuite. NetSuite is the cloud-based ERP solution from Oracle targeted at small and medium-sized enterprises and allows companies to streamline their business processes by automating the key functional areas. SAP Business One. SAP Business One is SAP's ERP solution for small and mid-sized enterprise designed to scale as businesses grow and help users streamline their key business processes. Identifying which ERP system fits your processes and business needs the best is the key to your ERP implementation success.